Ampere's circuit law is valid only if electric field in a given region is constant and does not change with time. If electric field changes, then this law is not valid and need modification. Maxwell showed that when a capacitor is charged or discharged, the electric field between the plates of the capacitor changes with time, and hence electric flux between the plates changes and gives rise to displacement current. Conduction current exists outside the capacitor and displacement current exists between the plates of the capacitor. By introducing displacement current between the plates of the capacitor, Maxwell modified the Ampere circuit law and named it as Ampere's-Maxwell's law. According to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, time-varying magnetic field act as a source of time-varying electric field. Maxwell proved that time-varying electric field also gave rise to time-varying magnetic field. According to Maxwell, when either of the field changes with time, other field is induced in space. The mathematical expression for Gauss law in electrostatic and in magnetism, the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, the Ampere circuit law written in suitable form are called Maxwell's equations. An accelerated charge produces time-varying electric field, which in turn produces time-varying magnetic field. The two fields so produced act as a source of each other and constitute an electromagnetic wave. Hertz demonstrated the production of electromagnetic wave by using spark oscillator. He produced electromagnetic wave of wavelength 6 meter. His experiment was acknowledged by naming the SI unit of frequency as Hertz. J.C. Bose also produced electromagnetic wave of wavelength 5 mm to 25 mm wavelength. In 1899, Marconi first of all established the wireless communication across English Channel across a distance of 50 km. In electromagnetic wave, electric field and magnetic field vector varies perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to direction of propagation. Therefore, electromagnetic wave have transverse nature. Amplitude of oscillating electric field is equal to c times amplitude of oscillating magnetic field, where c is the speed of the electromagnetic wave. Speed of electromagnetic wave is equal to 1 upon under root mu naught epsilon naught, where mu naught is absolute permeability and epsilon naught is absolute permittivity of free space. Therefore, it is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Energy density of electromagnetic wave is defined as the energy per unit volume of the space through which it travels. Average energy density is equal to half V naught square upon mu naught, where V naught is the amplitude of magnetic field vector, and it is also equal to 1 upon epsilon naught E square, where E is the amplitude of electric field vector. Some properties of electromagnetic waves. They are produced by accelerating or oscillating charge. They do not require any medium for their propagation. They have transverse nature. Their speed is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Speed changes in medium. They are not deflected by electric or magnetic fields. C is also equal to ratio of amplitude of electric field vector and magnetic field vector. The orderly arrangement of all electromagnetic wave in increasing wavelength or decreasing frequency is known as electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic wave in decreasing frequency are arranged as gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave and radio wave. Radio wave have highest frequency. They are produced by oscillating electric circuit having an inductor and a capacitor. They are used in astronomy and in wireless communication. They are arranged as very low frequency, medium frequency, high frequency, very high frequency and ultra high frequency. VLF are used for short distance communication. LF are used for marine communication. MF are used for AM communication. VHF are used for television and FM radios. UHF are used for cellular phones. Microwave are produced by oscillating electron in a cavity. Commonly used oscillators are called klystros or magnetron. Microwave are used in radar system, in atomic molecular research, for cooking food, for weather forecasting, for communication by cellular phones, to measure the speed of automobiles. Infrared waves are produced by vibration of atoms or molecules. All hot bodies also radiate infrared waves. They are used in night vision cameras because they pass through haze, fog or mist. Infrared detectors are used in Earth satellite to observe the activities on Earth. They are also used for the treatment of muscular pains, to reveal the secret writing in the greenhouses, to remote operate the TV, VCR, etc. Visible light or simply light wave are produced when electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level. They produce in us the sense of sight. They are used in photography, optical microscopy, astronomy and is a great source of energy for human life. Ultraviolet rays are produced by very hot body like melting arc and by passing discharge through hydrogen and xenon. They are used to preserve food, to sterilize the surgical devices, to detect the invisible writing or fingerprints, to study the structure of molecule in LASIK eye surgery and in photographic effect. X-rays are produced by bombarding a target of high atomic number with a beam of fast-moving electrons. They are used in medical diagnosis like locating fracture, bullet, etc., in radiotherapy to cure skin diseases, to locate cracks in metals, by detecting agencies to detect gold, diamond, etc. in the bag of a person, and in scientific research. Gamma ray are produced due to nuclear transition from higher energy level to lower energy level. They are used for treatment of cancer, to examine the thickness of material for food preservation, nuclear research, and to get information about the structure of atomic nuclei. Some numericals. Thanks for watching.